12th April 2025, a special lecture titled The Geopolitical Chessboard, Indochina's Strategic Moves and the Remaking of South Asia was held at A.V. Kalingal Hall, Salesian College Autonomous Sonada. The event was organized by the Department of Political Science in collaboration with IQAC. The session was delivered by Mr. Rajavishek Pradhan, Assistant Professor at North Bengal St. Xavier's College, Rajganj. The program began with a welcome address by Ms. Triyata Tamang, followed by opening remarks from Ms. Sumit Lepcha, head of the department. Mr. Pradhan was introduced by Rigdan Lepcha and the keynote address was presented by Amisha Gurung. The lecture offered profound insights into Indo-China relations and their strategic influence on the South Asian region, engaging both students and faculty members. Attendees included students from the departments of Political Science, Sociology, History and English, along with faculty and staff. An interactive Q&A session further enriched the experience. The event concluded with a heartfelt vote of thanks, marking a successful and intellectually stimulating academic engagement. The Sports Management of Salesian College Autonomous Sonada organized the Varghese Memorial Inter-Institutional Volleyball Tournament 2025. The event brought together participants from 6 colleges and 2 schools, with competitive matches held in both the boys and girls categories at 2 separate venues within the college campus. The tournament featured a series of thrilling and high-energy matches. In the boys division, Bijanbari Degree College emerged as the champion, while Salesian College Autonomous Sonada secured the runner-up position. In the girls division, Southfield College claimed the championship title, followed by Namchi Public School as the runner-up. The event not only showcased the sporting talent of the participants, but also encouraged friendship, teamwork and a spirit of healthy competition among all the institutions involved.